x plus secant square x dx. So we know the derivative of tan x. Derivative of tan x is secant square x. So this is f of x. This is f dash x. So e power x into fx plus f dash x. E power x into f of x value tan x. E power x into tan x. Next, third bit, integral e power x secant x into 1 plus tan x dx. Tan x dx. Multiply with secant x. Multiply with secant x. E power x into secant x plus secant x into tan x. Multiply with secant x. Secant x plus secant x into tan x. So derivative of secant x equal to secant x into tan x. So this is f of x. This is f of x. This is f dash x. Derivative of secant x. Secant x into tan x. So e power x into secant x plus c. Third Roman completely depend on this formula. Next, fourth bit, integral e power x into tan x plus log secant x dx. Take this is f of x. Write down f of x equal to log secant x. So calculate its derivative. First, derivative of log x 1 by x. Derivative of secant x into tan x. So f dash x 1 by x. Derivative of the internal function secant x into tan x. Secant x cancel. So this is f of x. This is f of x. This is f dash x. So e power x into f of x value tan x plus c. E power x into tan x plus c. X log x plus 1 number of times for 2 marks. Split into 2 parts. Write down e power x into log x by x plus 1 by x dx. X cancel. Log x is f of x. F dash x is 1 by x. So answer is e power x into f of x. This is very, very important. 1 plus sin x by 1 plus cos x dx. Split this one into 2 parts. One is f of x, another one is f dash x. All of you listen. E power x 1 plus 2 sin a by 2 cos a by 2 formula 1 plus cos a 2 cos square a by 2 sin a 2 sin a by 2 cos a by 2 1 plus cos a 2 cos square a by 2 split into two parts e power x 2 cos square x by 2 plus 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2 by 2 cos square x by 2 dx 2 cancel cos x by 2 cos x by 2 cancel last step of secant square x by 2 plus tan x by 2 dx all of you listen derivative of tan x secant square x derivative of x by 2 1 by 2 so this is f of x this is f dash x so e power x into tan x by 2 plus c write down integral x into e power x by x plus 1 whole square dx whole square dx all of you listen integral e power x x by x plus 1 whole square dx this is x this is x plus 1 so add and subtract 1 add and subtract 1 so we get e power x x plus 1 minus 1 by x plus 1 whole square dx split into two parts e power x x plus 1 by x plus 1 whole square minus 1 by x plus 1 whole square dx x plus 1 cancel integral e power x 1 by x plus 1 minus 1 by x plus 1 whole square dx all of you listen add plus 1 and minus 1 split into two parts x plus 1 cancel plus minus 1 by x plus 1 whole square this is 1 by x 1 by x derivative of 1 by x minus 1 by x square minus 1 by x square derivative of 1 by x minus 1 by x square so this is f of x this is f dash x so e power x into f of x x integral log x dx all of you listen when given only log function or inverse function when give the only log function and also inverse function we take the second function as unity this is u this is u this is v when given log function or inverse function individually we take second function as unity write down integral log x into 1 dx. All of you listen again. Latecomers, take u like in this order. U. What is ILH? I. Inverse function. L. Logarithmic function. A. Algebraic function. T. Trigonometric function. E. Exponential function. Exponential means e power x. So, in this problem, no I. There is no inverse function. Next function is log. So, this is u. This is v. What is uv formula? U into integral v minus u dash integral v. This is uv formula. U integral v minus integral u dash integral v. Listen. U value log x integral 1 dx minus u dash integral 1 dx whole dx. Integral of one value is x, log x into x. Derivative of log x 1 by x. This is derivative symbol. Derivative of log x 1 by x. Integral of one value x dx. X cancel. Last step. X into log x. Integral of one value x plus c. There is no inverse function. There is a logarithmic function. So, u is log x. Root x is v. Write the formula. U integral v minus integral u dash integral v. Substitute the values. Log x integral v root x dx minus integral u dash integral root x dx. Integral u dash integral v dx. This is x power n form. X power n. N plus 1 by n plus 1. 1 by 2 plus 1. 1 by 2 plus 1 equal to 3 by 2. So, x power 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 x power n log x minus derivative of log x 1 by x. Same function repeated in this place. X power 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 by 2 plus 1 dx. X power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 log x minus this is 3 by 2 becomes to 2 by 3. 3 by 2 becomes to 2 by 3. 1 by x. X power 1 by 2. X power 1. X power 1 by 2 into x power 1. X cancel. 2 by 3. X power 3 by 2 log x. Minus 2 by 3 into x power 1 by 2 integration. X power 1 by 2 integration. X power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. X power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. Integral of x power 1 by 2. X power n plus 1 by n plus 1. This is 3 by 2. This is also 3 by 2. Cos inverse x into u integral v minus integral u dash integral v, u value cos inverse x integral x dx u dash cos inverse x dash integral x dx. This dx belongs to this symbol. This dx belongs to this symbol. Cos inverse x integral of x plus 1 by x plus 1 x power 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 minus integral derivative of cos inverse minus 1 by under root 1 minus x square integral of x x square by 2 dx integral of x square by 2 minus into minus plus x square by 2 cos inverse x minus into minus plus this 2 is this one x square by under root 1 minus x square dx x square minus 1 plus 1 minus x square dx x square by 2 cos inverse x. There is 1 minus x square. So take minus common. Plus minus of 1 minus x square plus 1 by under root 1 minus x square dx. All of you listen. Split into two parts. Plus minus of 1 minus x square by under root 1 minus x square. This is the first part. Second part 1 by under root 1 minus x square dx. So x square by 2 cos inverse x plus into minus root function cancel under root 1 minus x square. This is sin inverse x. So this is direct formula. Sin inverse x. All of you listen. This is in the form of a square minus x square. So what is the formula? X square by 2 cos inverse x. This minus is this one. A square minus x square, x by 2 into a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sin inverse x by a plus sin inverse x plus c.